Good afternoon. One thing I wanted to remind everybody, because this just came up right now, a client of mine who it has been recommended in the general practitioner, person's primary care doctor, requested or referred her for a neurocognitive exam. Something I strongly urge for evidence building purposes because there is a mental component here we need to know, or the SSA will need to know what, if anything, does that mental impairment, however mild or severe, how much does it impact functioning, ability to focus, concentrate, remember, work quickly, work small, slowly. So she didn't make an appointment, tried, but didn't make an appointment because the earliest she could get would be 6 months away. So it didn't seem like something she wanted to do. So as I've stated this before, so I stated it to her. No, take the 6 month appointment. Yeah, is that ideal? Absolutely not. But 6 months goes pretty fast. And even if it's not there on initial, it's going to be there on reconsideration. And, you have to get the best you can and then try to make it better. So you take the 6 month appointment for that eval. And then you can always try to get an earlier one. You can also sometimes get on the same doctor's list in case there's a cancellation. And sometimes people get popped up earlier that way. Or you could be looking for a different doctor while you have one in the bag. It's like the bird in the hand is better than none at all. And 6 months is going to be here. So do you want 6 months to be here? You're denied on initial, perhaps by 6 months, perhaps not. And then you don't have an appointment lined up. So now recon's here. Boom, you got the same bad or lacking in evidence that you had before. So take the appointment by and large. Take the appointment unless there is a better reason not to. And then while you keep trying to get an earlier appointment, maybe a different doctor that you were vying for, whatever the case may be, get the appointment wherever you can get it for whichever specialist we're talking about. I mean, this doesn't have to be neurocog. It could be neurology. It could be orthopedics. It could be a surgeon. It could be a variety of things. It could be GI, whatever the impairment is. And just a reminder that getting a specialist referral from your GP, if you need a referral, but getting specialists in general for all of your serious problems that chip in to stop you from working all the jobs out there full time, is better than not having a specialist. Specialists have more credential in your area. So their records, it's hard to refute when they find something. So assuming they find something and they also hopefully will be adept communicators on the records in the chart, it will say, it will in some sense talk about what your symptoms are, what your limitations are, what you go through every day, because you're going to be telling them that, right? You're going to make it clear how it's affecting your life. And that's why you're seeing the specialist. I mean, why would we see a specialist if it wasn't, affecting us? But then you have to have the details in those records. So anyway, don't not take an appointment because you're offended that it's 6 months later. Take it. That 6 months will get here. And you might just get an appointment earlier, later anyway, but you have one for 6 months. And time flies. It really does. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. I can barely talk. Ciao for now. Bye.